everybody. So I hope you guys liked watching that little video from Mel Robbins' book, 5 Second Rule. I'm telling you, if you can grab that on audiobooks and just listen to it, it will transform everything for you. From whether it's an exercise habit or maybe it's something more tangible like taking your LLV. I mean, whenever your body, your mind, when you're trying to transform it and have it change, it takes little baby steps and like you're going to learn in 5 Second Rule, doing something to overcome the brain's innate ability to make you not change, because change can be scary, change can be overwhelming, but change can also be a very, very good thing. So as we are learning about building those healthy habits, I wanted to just take a little bit of time and share with you some practical quick tips that can make doing this challenge a little bit easier for you. One of them being as simple as these. Okay, so these are ones that I got from the dollar store. They are basically just pill holders. So grandma, grandpa usually have these filled up with medications that are prescriptions and synthetic and going to have a wide list of side effects. Why not start using them now, filling them up with the good stuff that's going to keep us healthy long term, and investing in our health so that we don't have to fill these up with all those prescriptions in 20 years from now, right? So that's my goal. That's why I take all of these, because I'm trying to keep myself healthy long term. So go ahead and invest in something like this. It's going to make your life a lot easier. So this is mine and this is my husband's. He likes his big. I like to be able to throw it in my purse. So this is what we use to get our daily lifelong vitality and all of the other supplements that we do. Because if you look in here, this is more than the lifelong vitality in here, because I take some of the other supplements as well. So I have them set out on the counter, already laid out. That is going to help you make your habit stick. So I don't care if you don't have these, put your LLV on the counter beside your coffee pot. Maybe bring it upstairs or bring it into your bathroom and set it on the counter so that when you brush your teeth, you take them before you brush your teeth. Put them somewhere in your house where you're going to have line of sight to them so that you can help yourself stick to that routine. Those simple things are going to help you build that foundation that you're wanting to do for yourself. Use that 5 second rule to get your butt out of bed in the morning, because if we can control our time, we can control our habits easier. So these are just a few of the little tips that I use to create long-lasting change, and it starts by doing just those baby steps. So I hope you think that this is a good idea. I hope you will look into what we talk about with that 5 second rule, where when it is that you think about something, instead of allowing yourself to not do it, you count backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you get up and you physically move. That way, your body and your brain cannot stop you from doing the change that you're wanting to make. I hope you guys found this helpful. I'm really excited for this, and thank you for letting me take the time to talk to you about some ways that you can implement change for that long-lasting habits that we're going to create this month. I hope you guys enjoy it, and stay tuned for what we got next.